Foodies, have you ever tasted juicy chicken wings cooked in cola? Today, we're making chicken wings with cola, a quick and easy dish that's sweet, savory, and totally addictive. This dish is a must-try. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to make these. Don't forget to like and save this recipe. First, let's prepare about 1 pound of chicken wings and add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Massage the wings to coat them evenly, then add some water and give them a good rinse. Cleaning them this way helps remove any impurities and blood from the wings, and it also helps reduce any gamey smell. Rinse them 2 more times with clean water, and they'll be nice and clean. Next, make shallow cuts on both sides of the chicken wings. This helps the flavors soak in better. Next, add the chicken wings into a pot of cold water, then add a tablespoon of cooking wine to remove the odor. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a gentle boil. This step helps completely remove the chicken wing odor. Once the water starts boiling, skim off the foam, then let it cook for another 2 minutes before removing the wings. Then clean them thoroughly with hot water. After washing, lift them out and drain the water. Next, heat oil in the pan. Add the chicken wings. Cook on low heat, frying slowly. Fry until both sides are golden brown. Chicken skin is high in fat, so frying it renders out the oil, making it less greasy. Every week, I'll be sharing delicious and healthy recipes. If you enjoy them, please like and follow so you won't have trouble finding me next time you're craving something tasty. Thanks a lot. Then add green onions, ginger, a few drops of rock sugar, a spoonful of soy sauce, and a bottle of cola to cover the chicken wings. Cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Then add salt and pepper to taste, stir well, and turn up the heat to thicken the sauce. If you have a lemon at home, squeeze in a bit of lemon juice. It enhances the flavor of the chicken wings and makes them less greasy. Then sprinkle with white sesame seeds and chopped green onions, and it's ready. Made this way, the cola chicken wings are tender, sweet but not greasy, and absolutely delicious.